We are now in cruising altitude, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Everything okay with you, Chuck? What's going on?
It's fine. It's just fine.
Okay, well, we got a good tailwind coming in from the south, so you know that's good.
That's nothing.
All right, what's up, Chuck? What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you what's up. I dreamt I was a bird. 3 days ago in a dream, I was a bird, and it was amazing. Way better than any of this.
Okay, Chuck, well, I am a pilot, so I can imagine what it's like to fly like a bird.
Not like a bird. As a bird. God!
Okay, well, I am very sorry, okay? Can you please tell me what it was like flying as a bird?
Well, first of all, I was soaring. You know, soaring.
Yeah, airplanes soar.
No, airplanes don't soar. Eagles soar. Hawks soar. Robins soar.
Were you a robin?
I was. Not that it matters what type of bird I was flying the way it was meant to be. No instruments, no runways. Just me in the sky.
Okay.
We're gonna get our food service started. You guys want anything?
Oh, no, I'm good. Thank you.
Captain, you want a little bird seed to snack on?
Shut up, Rebecca! I told you I didn't eat in my dream. I was just flying.
Hey, Chuck, that dream sounds very nice, okay? I'm sorry you're not there right now, but you're here with me in the airplane. So want to help me fly it?
Okay, sure. Plane, wonderful. Beep bop boo boo. There, we're flying. Yeah, right.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am turning on the fasten your seatbelt sign. We're coming on to some turbulence. Everything is totally normal.
It's not normal for a bird. Birds don't experience turbulence. They are graceful. There is a better way, and it's not this.
Oh, no. Okay, we're losing altitude.
I wish I was out there instead of trapped in here.
Okay, Chuck, but you're in here right now, and I'm gonna need you to help me fly this plane.
I am never flying a plane again, unless I can bird this plane. Move over.
Robins don't call.
Shut up, Marvin! You're taking me out of it. God!
Well, what he's doing, he's flying the plane as a bird.
Actually, autopilot just kicked in, but I'm letting him have this.